This is an OmniPage document. It stores OCR results, scan text. You need the OmniPage software to edit the text recognition data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the scan. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the DF1 format and dozens of others obsolete. A DF1 file is associated with Omnis Studio, a rapid application development (RAD) environment. It contains data specific to an application built within Omnis Studio, potentially including data structures, configurations, or serialized objects. These files are integral to the functionality and data management of Omnis Studio applications. DF1 files are typically structured according to Omnis Studio's internal data formats. Developers should use Omnis Studio's built-in functions and tools to access and manipulate the data within these files. Direct modification outside of the Omnis Studio environment is generally not recommended, as it can lead to data corruption or application instability. The DF1 format is inextricably linked to the application Omnis Studio from Omnis Software. The operating system generally only reads the file's header information, not its full content. Windows can't decode the full data structure, so proper access must be done through the correct software. Open the context menu by right-clicking your DF1 file and choosing Open With. Try Omnis Studio first, as it's the standard. If it doesn't appear, choose another application and continue testing compatibility. When your DF1 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the DF1 problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, use Omnis Studio. Open the file using Omnis Studio, the required application for the database application data. Next, check version. Ensure your Omnis Studio version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, open as text. Open the DF1 file in a text editor to view the raw content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.